see this cube is made without glue. Okay, today we will learn how to make this cube, okay, with paper. To make this cube we need papers actually of half size. Okay, so this is the half of the size of the A4 paper. Okay, and then what you do first is the first step is to take at least 5 more sheets like this. So we will be needing 6 papers like that. Okay, we'll be needing 6 sheets like this. What you need to do is you will be folding it to half from here. The first step is give a nice crease, then flip this side and flip this over here and chop this section out. After this we are going to chop this part from here. Take this out. Likewise we should have 5 more pieces. Total 6 we should have. Let us measure this also and see what is the size over here. So if you see, this will come around 6 inches from here and 6 inches from here too. That's how it will be. You can have 10 by 10, you can have 4 by 4, whatever size you want. You should have a square, and we should have 5 more pieces. In total we need 6 pieces like that. We need 6 pieces. After doing so, you should fold this into half. Give a nice crease. Make sure it's coming in the middle. Fold this from here. And fold this from the other side. Now fold it into half again. And give a nice crease from all the edges. Creasing is very important, students. We have to get a very nice crease over here. Now we will be flipping this side from here in the middle, and I align this in the middle. Rotate this side, and from the other side also align this in the middle. So alternatively we have to do it from this side to here and that side to here, then open, then open. After opening it, you will see this part has come towards this side. You will open this and fold this inside, flip it over here, open this, fold this inside, flip it over here. Now see, this opening is there. You will place this inside the opening and fix this over here. Now rotate this. See, there is an opening here. You will place your finger inside and place this inside as well. So if you do that, it will get locked from every edge. So you can see there is a lock here and there is this structure which has come. Now flip this. After flipping it, align this in this way, align this in this way, and see in the middle, and put this inside and align this in the middle and give a nice crease. Flip this from the other side, align this in the middle and give a nice crease. So you'll get this one unit. If you flip this from here, you will see there are openings. There is this opening, there is this opening, there is this opening, and there is this opening. So you'll get 1, 2, 3 and 4 openings are there. After you did that, what you will do is you will produce 5 more pieces like these. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Now, after doing so, you should be checking them whether they are in the same direction or not. All of them should be in the same direction. See, the first thing that we will do is you can take the color of your choice. Okay, these are your colored food paper, which are very thin, 150 GSM paper. Take them of your choice, whichever you like to do. And what we do, the first thing is to put this in the pocket. Now see which pocket we need to put. Like if this is in this direction and this is in that direction, there is a pocket here and this will come to this side. So in the pocket, you should put this inside here, insert, and this will get attached and fixed nicely. This will get locked. Now see it from the other side also, which side we can put that. You can take the color of your choice, whichever you think is fine. Now this will go into this side of the pocket. There is this part which has come. Now you get the opening like that. Okay. After this, we will take one more here and see where it can fit. Now if you see this part, this can go inside here and this can go inside here. And this will go inside this side. Okay, so once you did that, you will put this on top of here and put this inside the pocket first, over this part. Insert this nicely, push this inside. This is a crucial part in which we have to get the edges fine, so push this nicely inside so that there is no gap here. Put this inside this pocket. Initially it might be a little confusing, but once you get habitual of making it, it will become very easy for you to follow. Now push all of them together inside. Make sure that they are locked nicely. This part is locked here. Now we can see this flip side is coming here, and we should put this inside the pocket. There is this part which has got inserted inside, and we have got 3 faces ready. Like 1, 2, and 3 faces are ready now. Now again take any one of them, whichever you like, and see this part where it can fit. So I'm gonna fit this over here. Again the same step will be followed. This will get inserted to this pocket of the brown one. This will get inserted to this pocket of the peach one. Make them look like a very rock solid structure. Make sure that you put a lot of pressure at the edge and make them fine. See if there is no gap. There shouldn't be any gap. Over here, over here, over here. There should not be any gap. Now we are left with this side. We will be putting this inside this pocket. Push this inside. And you have to be a little patient too, students. You cannot rush things. You have to be a little patient so that it doesn't get distorted. Put this inside and apply pressure. It will go inside. As I told you, you can choose the color of your choices. Whichever you like, you can choose it accordingly. Now we are left with only one part which will come here. We can take these two out. Put this over here. So always remember, you have to attach it to the sideways. Attach it to the sideways. Put this here. And see where it will get inserted. Now this side will get inserted to this part. This side will get inserted to this part. Push this inside, lock it, apply pressure and lock it. See, there are many ways to make cube, but this is one of the most feasible way to make cube, which is very solid. It won't get distorted. And one more advantage you'll get is the glue will not be appearing outside anywhere, because we are not using glue anywhere. So in this way you can score more marks and more weightage. If you're asked to make a cube or a toy, this will give you more marks. Again, this part will go inside and will get inserted here, and your cube is ready. That's how we can get the cube, and you can see it's ready, and now we can play with this. We've got 2 cubes here. Thank you.